Meaning of East Timorese.
East Timorese.
East Timorese.
East Timorese.
East Timorese. East Timorese refers to people or things related to the country of Timor-Leste, also known as East Timor, which is located on the eastern part of the island of Timor and is one of the youngest countries in the world, having gained independence from Indonesia in 2002. The East Timorese people have a unique culture that blends indigenous traditions with Portuguese and Indonesian influences. They primarily speak Tetum and Portuguese, and their economy is largely dependent on agriculture and oil production. Timor-Leste is also known for its scenic beauty, including rugged landscapes, coral reefs, and beaches.